Hi again guys, it's me right there. Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to log out Telegram on Android. Firstly guys, I need to mention that right now we are working on Android, but don't worry about it, it is the same process on iPhone. First, what you need to do is to click on the three dots icon on your left upper side, and then you need to go on the settings tab. Right after that, you need just to tap on your right upper side by clicking also again on the three dots icon, and then here, as you can see, on the third selection you have the chance or the opportunity for logging out from this account. Now you need just to tap on it, and then automatically here you're gonna have another giving up for logging out, and you need just to go and click on the logout on the last session. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.